It was a fantastic course. At this price range, nothing in the market of coding industry. Here we get everything from HTML, CSS, JavaScript to Java to prompt engineering with the help of AI. Everything we can see: Python, data analyst, DSA, blockchain, Next.js, SQL, like even with tons of project ideas. This much at a price of 9.99 only. YouTube, from YouTube you can get these kind of material, but you have to do the R&D by yourself, which will take your time. Now if you are in a third year or second year, don't have much time to spare, so I must suggest this is the best course to buy in 1999. 999, my bad. Fuck. Sit.